Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Charot. Today is May 22, 2025, and today is a very special day because MJ22 is celebrating our 2 decades or 20 years. That's why MJ22, it's because Mary John on the 22nd of May. Charot.
And we are going to Bukidnon.
Yes, we're gonna pay visit to the Monastery of Transfiguration. But before that, we will be fetching our nibblings on our ancestral home because they will be going with us. And the weather today is fair, not so sunny, and it's a bit gloomy.
So happy 20th
To us.
anniversary to MJ22 Adventures.
Yeah.
So thank you for all the fans and supporters on our channel, and first and foremost to JBG Travels, to John Dulahite, of course to our families and friends,
Miss Bev Wenzel, and to our Almighty God for blessing us these 20 years together.
okay.
So nami karon sa Kugon.
So manimba mi sa Monastery of Transfiguration, Malaybalay City. It's about 141 kilometers from Cagayan de Oro. So approximately ang mong travel is
2 hours.
4 hours.
4?
Yeah. Maginahinay raman mi. Dili man mi mag-racing. And of course later on ami baby on board. So
Chill ride lang.
chill
yan.
ride lang. This is what we call jeepney. O anas US.
Na siguro.
No, I don't think so.
That's one of our public transport here in the Philippines.
So ready na to sila labi.
Wala tayo sa-
Traffic ya. there will be a good news this coming weeks, but we don't want to reveal it to ourselves. It's a surprise.
Ba, man din ni mabre?
Di mabre man pero dili ang bagbang.
Ba, sa dili ni na ang
Ate Rosnit.
Ano? Napa ba si Big? Dira ka sunod na napagawa kaya ako nang
Abi ibutang diri sa
pangaon taning mga
Hi. You wanna ride a car? You will ride a car. Purok-purok alimukon.
Tay butang sa datim eh kuya nay butanganan dia.
Sa
Ay nang na.
ilang maawa mo ihulog naman nato si Rosnit.
Oh, ihulog.
Ihulog yun.
Namong baby, hi.
Kailuag mo kay ni
Ikuan sa akong seatbelt dati be.
Oy, tugnaon ang princess. Iingani lang sa siya oh. Tay,
Ay sa isa ada lang.
Yun niya
ipoto sa ni suya ba kay tugno inyong earphone bay.
Purok-purok alimukon.
Diyan lang sana kay Dora, sa
Pantay palagi.
Dora mo dyan.
Ang umat na sinilya. Ang tamsi nagsunata. Tamsi og bunloy.
Asa man
Nanukun
niya?
sa dakang kahoy. Hana, nakita ni mo? Si Daddy? Na si Daddy sa likod? Na si Daddy sa likod?
Unta na
Bawal ang baby sa atubangan. Oh, diri ra na siya.
Ibalin man siya
Dito
dito.
na.
Naikondara ka ng cashew nuts.
Nako itlog bulldog. Saging yan.
So we're back. Adto na mig Bukidnon. Uban na namo amo
Ay,
dalagita. O to gikuhaan ako siya 360 ganina pagsulod ng tiya.
Hello, we
Out, yeah.
me. Talia.
Talia, sorry. Seatbelt love.
Ay, sorry.
pila na ni ka. Puro.
Uy.
30 minutes na niya. Pag-ibig.
What are your takeaways for the 20 years relationship man?
Takeaways.
What are your advices or mga words of wisdom to the younger generation?
Year manong pil.
Share something because 20 years is exceptional.
So the only thing that I will advise and ask them to try if you're getting married or in a relationship to last long, be patient. Be patient and keep rocking the free world. I'm thankful we made it
2005. We made it.
2025, 20 years since the first day we said yes to each other. We had a lot of troubles, problems, insecurities and all.
And marriage is not always bed of roses. It's a daily
But it will
challenge.
test your promises and how tough you are to stay in a relationship, especially in a marriage. So for those of you who want to try,
Not try.
because some people are afraid, some people are not used to getting married. We respect that. We have different perceptions in life. Some just want to stay single. So you will never know unless you try. That marriage is not as easy
As you think.
as you think. marriage is a constant adjustment in life. There are no fixed arguments, or should I say, basta muna to.
Patayon.
Katong wa pa kasuway, panuway mo.
Para na ako pod is if dili lang sa relationship or dili lang sa marriage, but when you are into a relationship, i-expect yun nimo nga dili lang yun ang kanabitang patwitams lang nga, ay kilig-kilig lang and all of that, although part man yun na siya, pero dili yun most days. There are days na dili yun ding ana ang sitwasyon. So having
sacrifice.
said that, like sa gisulti ni John, patience, respect, love, and God. Oh, nagad Sharon yan forever. Panoy.
Okay, plano gay ka na bro kung ba't ba mama? Ito 1.5 araw.
Hapit na.
Kung babang magpalit na card dito sa Pilipinas.
Ba?
Kani tagiada ni 50 ka buke unit. Gikan sa van, pick up. Naya Montero Sport.
Yan, na-release
dito.
ka na natong kuhan kaamulan.
Na yung mga Fortuner.
Ba?
Ako, kita eh.
Ang iya-bios mo daghan kayo yung unit. Katong kaamulan nga, grabe gito ba eh. Urot-urot
Urot ko daw yung unit og release. Nangunay gid to release. Dili lang yung mga tao na
Good morning. Yes, ma'am. Wala. Padulong na din sa likod. Padulong pa, ma'am. Kaya alas 9 na nakalakaw. Unsa maan?
Kasi, dum, dan pula.
ayun dito.
Dito may karon. Ano naman? Ay, nakapamalit. Sana, uy.
Okay, makahigala, nakaabot na Miss Cagayan de Oro.
Nakaabot na ang purok-purok alimokon team.
Nagabinan me. Okay.
Okay, 9:30 na beta nila kao.
Aloy sa Ginoo, nakabalik na taon mi sa syudad.
So shout out JD, John Dolhait.
Miss Bev Wenzel. JBG Travels.
Shout out Natalia Luis Purok-Purok Toko.
Shout out Natalia Louise. Purok-purok alimokon takot-takot.
Shout out Daddy.
So we made it.
Oh, no.
Ayun po.
Ayun.
Sorry.
Made it back to the city.
Our baby on board is a little fussy, so bear with us.
So we didn't make to Lake Apo because it's raining.
It's raining.
Wala lang to nagkulan din.
So that's why we decided to go back home.
At least nakasipa.
But our main purpose is to go to church. We made it. So God bless everyone.
And the adventure continues.
We're going home. Welcome back to Cagayan de Oro City. May lagwa to na ligsan gamay kaayo. Nalabay dako nga truck.
1, 2, 2, 2, and 1, and 2, and 3.
1, 2, 2, 2, 2.
what's the sound of grandme? Porok, porok.
Nauna to si Grandme anak.
What's the
Grandme.
sound of the
What's the
grandme?
sound of the Grandme?
Porok,
porok, alimok.
Hello again, maayong gabi, and we're already in the city proper. So almost home.
Maayong gabi sa tanan. Napit batag tuna.
Yeah.
So finally we're in the city. It's a little late, but it's okay. We arrived safely.
Thank God. Mad Cafe.
Asay ka? Dari? Itunahan pa.
Yeah.
So we're trying to look for that tuna restaurant to buy some
Super
food for home,
for baby.
for our dinner. So by the way, it's a long ride, so but still we managed to, as we said earlier, we managed.
John here really has a excellent driving skills already.
Oh, ba?
Yeah, he's so ready to own a new car.
Mauba? Kakulba ba? Yeah, I've been driving since like maybe 20 years old. Back here when JBG is here with us, we used to sell
Frozen goods.
no, not frozen good.
Pack lunch.
Yeah,
Viands.
food packs.
Food packs.
We
I think that arcade's been
Closed?
closed already.
Yeah. So I learned how to drive a car back then with JBG. He's here. We used to deliver food packs around the city. And then when I work in the government back in the island, I used to be a driver. So that's why it's,
KFC is here already. Wow.
so it's not new to me, but
Drive-through.
still I have to refresh my driving skill
Of course.
from time to time.
You used to drive a manual.
Yeah, manual transmission is what I've been learning to drive. So when it comes to automatic, it's not too hard.
It's easy peasy already.
So we are now at the uptown
Part
Cagayan de
of
Oro
the city.
and it's just a few kilometers from our home. And finally it's too exhausting for our long drive, but it's okay. We are so blessed and we are safe. Thank you, Lord. So thank you and shout out to Sir JD.
Sir JD of Texas. Hello, maayong gabi. Gikan sa syudad sa Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Miss Bev Wenzel, hello, hello.
So we don't have our
96 Chevy Dualis 6.5L. Michael Marion, Lil Everett, Sir Paul, Amy H. Who else? And to our local friends and subscribers, maayong gabi ug salamat kaayo sa inyong kanunayong suporta kanamo.
So I'm so sorry that we don't have the chance to show our faces because I actually brought the other GoPro, but
The mount
the sticky mount was left at home, so I can't put it on the dashboard.
Yeah.
So that the other camera can face to us.
Can be facing to us.
Yeah.
But
So,
you can still hear our voices. You can picture out our faces already. If you are our supporters and subscribers, there's no need for showing our face this time.
So again, thank you, Michael Marion, Adam Pierce,
Daghang salamat. Namaste.
Lil Everett, Goldilocks, Amy H, Chris,
Henderson.
Dorota. So want to drive through Starbucks.
Wow.
So MG here wants to show us the Starbucks.
We just have a newly opened drive-through Starbucks. It's
here.
the first in Mindanao actually. So
We'll try.
we'll try and we'll see how it
Drive
goes.
through. So this
This is the first
city
actually in Cagayan de Oro. It opened a week ago, so might as well show it to you. Our very first drive-through Starbucks here in the city.
So there it is.
Over there. Ito ka masulod kilid sa Petron.
Drive through.
Say mo. Kape ka?
Order as you need to.
Magkape ka? Or magkuan lang ka na refreshers? Dara.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Here is the drive-through Starbucksy.
It says 2.60 meter clearance. What does it mean?
That's not the problem.
Okay, hello. We're still on queue.
So now you can see us because our 360 is working. Amanda. Wala pa?
I think here.
No, not here. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello po.
And then where's the latte? Coffee latte.
Sorry po.
Ha?
Sorry po ma'am. Ano yung order niyo po?
Pink drink.
Pink drink, what size po?
20.
Any additional po?
Another drink for coffee latte.
Hot or ice po?
Grande.
Hot or ice po?
Hot.
Any additional po ma'am?
Yung sa coffee latte, pwede may cream?
Po?
Cream.
Whipped cream?
Oo.
Wala mo siyang whipped cream po.
Okay. Tapos isang Danish cinnamon sliced into 4, please.
Ma'am, can you relay na lang ang sir po? Para marinig ko na maayos.
Danish cinnamon sliced into 4.
So you have a cinnamon Danish po?
Yes.
Any additional po?
That could be all. Thank you.
So you having 2 drinks and 1 cinnamon Danish?
Yes.
Hasta lang po ako ng drink po for your cup.
Mary.
Mary?
Yes.
Miss Mary, your total is 505. Please have your payment ready at doing na lang po.
Okay.
Thank you.
John here doesn't know his drinks. I only ordered for him. He every time we go in Starbucks, he just like order something that I may like. So I always opt to order something that he might actually like.
I'll just a tester. Then if I like it, then it's good.
So ayun, we're still in queue to claim our drinks.
For a while lang sir, i-make it.
Okay, can I have less ice for the pink
Less ice
drink?
for the pink drink?
Yes, please. Thank you. Si John lang po ang pwedeng magkape.
But not too much.
That's why
Kay kuy bati sa kuyap.
mingaw na kay ko sa kape. It's been 3 years. Although na may mga times nga mag a little sip lang.
Yeah. Sorry. Thank you.
Less ice.
Thank you. And the pastry.
Thank you.
Pastry.
And your pastry back. Drive safe.
Thank you so much.
Yaran na yun.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy 20th.